Everything we want in life, everything we damn want in life, bro, we can have it, bro, if we just stop. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Ballers Club. It's your boy BallOrFallBird, the one and only Mr. BallOrFall, the one and only Mr. Do It All, the one and only Mr. Everything Under the Sun will get done because your boy's best beyond. Listen, man, we finna go ahead and get right into it because the topic of today is procrastination. I'm not gonna even procrastinate with going ahead and getting right into this topic, man. This topic is something that's so big for me, man. It's so big for me because it's literally the biggest killer in my life, man. And when I'm making this video today, obviously, you know, I'm giving y'all a game, I'm putting y'all down, but man, when I'm making this video today, when I'm making this video right now, man, I'm talking to myself, dog. And it's things that I really realized that, bro, we have to get out of this habit of procrastination, bro. We have to get out of this habit of procrastination, man. Procrastination will literally take you so far from the goals and things that you want to reach, or just make you prolong everything, man. And it really is like hit me today, just like how much stuff like has really came about in my life just because I procrastinated. How many things just took so much longer. How many things I could have gotten ahead of had I just not simply procrastinated. And I've been trying to, you know, honestly do research, get to the root of it. But honestly, man, at the end of the day, you got to tell yourself what you're going to do, and you have to do it. That's a muscle in its own. Like, as somebody that likes to work out, as somebody that likes to stay in shape, I like to think that everything, all of our habits at the end of the day, they're all muscles. If I tell myself, oh, I'm going to lay in bed all day versus I'm going to get up right now, that's a muscle in my brain where I'm the opposite of procrastination is urgency. I'm building that urgent muscle. I'm building the muscle where, and obviously it's all psychology. Obviously it's all like, you know, like inner works, but it's still a muscle at the end of the day. It's something in your brain that tells yourself, I want to sit down versus I want to get up and go do this. I want to, you know, chill out at the house for a little while, or I'm gonna go ahead and leave the house right now so I can go do whatever it is that I need to go do. So when I'm sitting here thinking about this, like I said, I'm talking to y'all, but I'm honestly talking to myself as well, man. And we have got to build the muscle of being urgent. We have got to build the muscle of having a bias to urgency, having a bias to action. Yes, we can want everything in the world, and I feel like that's honestly been my biggest problem, dog. That's been my biggest problem. I'm such a dreamer at times, and I'm being 100% transparent today, dog. Like, so I don't know if y'all gonna like this. I don't know if y'all gonna like honestly like the fact that I'm talking to myself when I make this video, but bro, I'm such a dreamer. Like, my dreams are so big, but sometimes I get caught in the loop of like, damn, like I want this, instead of just saying, okay, I want this is what I'm finna go do right now. And I'm being 100% honest with y'all right now, man. I'm being, you know, fully transparent. Like, I am somebody that will dead ass sit in my room all day at times and be like, damn, bro, like that is gonna be so nice once I finally have it. Because at the same time, I don't have no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna have it. But like I said, so we're talking about procrastination. So my whole thing with procrastination is, like I said, the fact that I'll wait around and prolong what it is that I actually want, and, you know, am on the route of getting. And what do I mean by that? Like I said, like I know me at the end of the day. Now, one thing I can't do is speak for anybody else that's watching the video, but I'm hoping that at worst you're like me. What I'm saying is, I know once I'm locked in, once I get in that groove of something, and sometimes it may take 2-3 days for me to actually get into that groove of, all right, I'm on my grind. All right, I'm locked in. But it's the times where I'll go bust my ass for a day and then I'll take 2 days off. So it's, in a sense, it's like you take one step forward, you take 2 steps back. And then now I'm in that cycle again of having to try to like motivate myself, because I mean, it's whatever gets you out your seat at that time. So whether it's motivation, whether it's, like I said, where I just know like, damn, like, or the fear of what can happen if I don't get up and go do it. Sometimes, man, I wait around until, you know, like the pressure is all on me. And I think that I perform so well under pressure sometimes that it's kind of like become a habit of me saying, you know what, I'm gonna wait till the pressure kick in for me to goddamn go lock in on this. Instead of saying like, no, like we finna keep the pressure off, but I'm gonna be the one that applies the pressure. So when I think about all this, when I say all this, like I said, like for me, at sometimes I can be such a dreamer, because whenever I say, all right, Bird, we're locked in, Bird, we're locked in. Your goals are 100% written out. The input objectives that you have to put in to get these goals achieved are written out. Whatever the case may be, everything is written out now. I know exactly what it is I have to do. And sometimes I'll sit and just, it takes me a long time to actually figure out what it is that I need to do. All of this is what they call analysis paralysis. Sometimes you just gotta go. And I know I talked to y'all about that a few times where I say, sometimes you just gotta go. And these are things that I know. These are things that I know it, but at some point in my life, I'm in the mode right now where I'm having to get it all back in repetition, where it's becoming habitual again. And that's the kind of point in my life that I'm at right now where, whatever the case may be, you got to go make this amount of money every day. Whatever the case may be, you gotta work out every day. And a lot of these things I do, but I'm still not where I want to be. And I still feel like that's because of some shape, form, or fashion of procrastination. If I have to give y'all an example, I'll give y'all an example. I'm an entrepreneur. I do TV mounting. I do residential and commercial cleaning, amongst a few other things. Like overall, just like handyman services, I'm the guy that you can call. And I've been knowing that, man, I should have created business cards. I should have had a website. I should have built the business for myself. That way, because at the end of the day, I want to be the guy that sits back in the business, but I want to start teaching people how to do it. I want to be able to provide jobs for others. And that's where I'm honestly at in my process. I want to provide jobs for others. That's what I feel like my purpose is in life, to be able to do videos like these, help y'all mentally, whenever I'm talking to y'all, giving y'all game, giving y'all speeches, whatever y'all want to categorize it as, or I'm actually physically helping somebody by giving them a job, giving them a yearly salary, or whatever the case may be, even if it's contract work. But I say all these things, and it's I have all these dreams, and I know once I'm locked in on it, and once I actually get into the flow and that ball is rolling, once I start to get the snowball effect, I know it's on from there. But I have to just get the ball rolling, and a lot of times I struggle with just getting the ball rolling sometimes. And that's me being 100% honest with y'all. That's me being fully transparent with y'all, man. We have got to stop procrastinating. I don't care what it is, what you have to do. One thing that I recently did was I have 2 phones. So I got 2 phones, I got a laptop, I got a desktop, I got a TV, all which I can set alarms on. I set different alarms on them, usually about 2 to 3 minutes apart, because here over the last, 2 years of my life, ever since I've stopped playing football, it's been a little bit harder for me to wake up in the morning. And I'm a person that likes to wake up in the morning, but at the same time, it's also because I've been going to sleep late, but it's something where I want to wake up in the morning, and then sometimes I'll catch myself just laying in bed that extra minute, that extra 2 minutes, that extra 3 minutes. So if I got my alarm in my room set for 5:30, I'm gonna have the alarm in here on my phone set for 5:31. I'm gonna have the alarm on my MacBook set for 5:32. I'm gonna have the alarm on my desktop set for 5:33. So that I can get up. There's no going back to the bed, there's none of that, because you know that they're all finna get ready to go off. So I say all this, man, like I said, just to continue to harp on the fact that, bro, we have got to stop procrastinating. Me included. I'm talking to myself. Bird, you're talking to yourself right now. Stop damn procrastinating. Get off your ass and go get it done. Everything we want in life, everything we damn want in life, bro, we can have it, bro, if we just stop procrastinating. It's so amazing to me that we just sit around sometimes and be dreamers, Bird. We can't be dreamers all the time. Doers are better than dreamers. But if you have the dream and then you have the action, Bird, you can go get it done. And I'm sorry that I just started talking to myself, but y'all can go Bird. Y'all can insert your own name for when I say Bird, whatever the case may be. But I'm talking to myself right now, man. I gotta go. I got dreams, I got goals, I have things that I'm trying to accomplish. And Bird, you gotta go. It's time, man. Hey, man, it's 10 minutes into the video, man. Whatever we got to do, we got to have a bias to action, man. We got to be super urgent to get it done. Do it now. Don't do it later. Let's get it done. Let's at least get the ball rolling. Let's go, man. Everything that we want in this life can be ours, but we have got to go. We can't continue to sit on our ass. Dreaming about it ain't enough. Dreaming about it has never just made some shit appear. This is not Disney Channel. We gotta go, dog. Hey, man, it's your boy BallOrFallBird. Appreciate you for coming to the Balls Club. Today is the perfect day to get up and go. Go do it. Hey, man, I'm out.